Okay, Patty, go for it, girl.
Here we are.
First drips of the day. Yes, indeed. Go for it. Nice.
Really hard. Straight up and down or
straight up and down, like and boom, boom, boom. There you go. Go for it.
I got a little in my pants.
You could turn your thing diagonally so it doesn't get on your pants. I mean your rag here. Oh. This rag. Push that thing. There you go.
You drip, I drip when it's that long. Yep.
Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, you ready to force that thing? Go for it.
Okay, here we
Go,
go.
go, go. Yes, look at that go. Go, go, go. That is...
Thank you, Mother Earth.
Okay, we're getting ready to do our splats. Okay. Here we go. Hold it about an inch and about horizontally. There you go. There you go. Now you got it. And go farther along. Okay. You just need more on there, I think.
Okay.
Okay, go more and then put it in this area now. In the rocks.
Okay, so here.
Yeah. Start close to your body. Go about an inch from the page. Oops, that's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, just use the finger. Start coming up here more. using our blue now to splatter the red rocks of Sedona. Yeah, beautiful.
I'll put something up there over by that green, kind of even it out.